to fix when keeps restarting on Moto G77. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click on outside power button and volume up button and you will see restart phone from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, search software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option and factory reset. After click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keeps restarting on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.